Now think about the students who are doing online classes tomorrow becoming doctors. How many of you will go for operation?
Haki ni ki ars nambala led ka klam COVID-19 kala pentot ya barok ki jinglong jingman jongkiri ka perthai barok ka wai ka bakham kata bhai ka imlang ka salang kalong ka jing puli puthi ki khna school kala Shillong tang hasun kam don shu ka tan rai ka babiang ni ka bas kham halor jong kane nakalyang ki nong panya jong school St Anthony's Higher Secondary School kila penlong ka orientation program na ka banda ki nohi kai balawan ai di sister Celine Decuna na Belafonte Ibalong iway na kiriw siyang pang bala shisha ban ay man sim bat hikay halor kanika pang.
Now think about the students who are doing online classes tomorrow becoming doctors. How many of you will go for operation? Correct? Yes or no? All classes are online. No practicals out there. Then what do you do there? You look at the situation where they are living their conditions. What will the society become? What the society can become? So this is the situation that our whole thing is going. But school closed. But learning continued. We did not stop. We had really very systematically we organized all our classes. So much taking care. Anytime, every time being together at the beck and call of the parents and all. Education continued with struggles, hardships and difficulties. School closed, but education did not continue. Education is not going to stop because we are there. We are there and you are there. Education will not stop. Tomorrow we get in with immediate effect, something will come. You are there still. You are still there. Okay? Then schools have to become relevant according to the science of the time. So 2019 school, 2022 schools have to be different. You cannot come back to school. I used to do that one. That we used to do have to stop now. We will become prophets of doom if you do that one. Outdated. You need to become today, science of the time. How am I going to become? You have to become that. You cannot tell we did that one. I did all 30 years I'm teaching here. I know all that. You don't know. Please tell yourself, I don't know. Because all new now. Change your mindset. Okay? We need to change. We cannot continue like before. So COVID-19 is an opportunity for us to dramatically alter where we are. Makes us move away from memorization, repetition, and from the rigid instruction. Machines do that much better. Correct? Yes. So don't become a machine. Use the machine. But don't become a machine because you are meant to be a human person who will bring about a transformation and the change in the young people. And they say, I didn't miss my school. I didn't miss my class. I didn't miss my education because my teachers were behind me. They educated me. They accompanied me. They guided me. They took care of me. Look at that. So nice. And they will write, you know what they will write? Your name in their heart because you did not leave them. You were with them. Remember that. That has to be taken care. This year the school has to be better, okay? In every way it has to become better and I'll give you also that. Tough times should bring the best in us as well as best in our students. We will do. Because tough things do not last. Tough people will last. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So you become that. No? I can manage still. We can still go on. Very big team. Very nice education institution. We are going to do that, man. We have the capacity to learn, to change, to adapt. Teachers learning to handle the technology. Okay, learning. That change is happening. Be the change. COVID-19 is teaching us.
Habagran Bakadon Bosco Media Network, Father Anthony Karkungor, Principal ka St Anthony School. Ilapan bakalong kabadon kam ban pen kre ikinoy kay ban la ban Aisha kababahat tam ki khna la kalong dak offline ni ka online classroom.
Kublay pi baro ngadap ke jing kemen bakraw ban pau jismu yo blay ban tam tam ka government ru kabala penmi ya ka notification ban sha ban play ya ki school na ka benta kena class 6 to 12 ban na ka benta ki class nursery to class 5 pat kin don ki online classes ka kermen ban ngej ba government ru ke train ka education pat ki institution ba prepare ingai scam ba da ka jing sha ka ni ga ban play ka school kena jumi ru kin sayo biang ya kata ka jing wan school ban don kat pat ni ban yo ka jing hikai ka pura namar hukum kini snem ni bang le ma ke jing ja kin ka klam ka ba pendu dong hadu kata-kata lewat la kata pat ka jing puli ke jing yo ya ke jing kai kam de ban sange tang la kata jo ke jing tang re ke de ban nang ya teng te ke school jungi ngi la shong le prakhat kum no bangin ai susu jing kai bajanai na te ban le kening la pendon program ya kinoi kai minta sni South Tarik jong bulan Februari aja akwa ya kinoi kai bakin yo ya jing kai bakin yo ya jing sempang bakin yo bakin pet kam jinga susu hak ko mengila ban na ai jing kai bajanai na la de ka liang jong jing pendon kami technology la ni la de ha ke liang jong jing sim class haki classroom iskongu ya sister Celine Decuna ibla plat ya kapor miwe educationist ibla experience halor kanika jing sim jing ai program ya kinohikai di principal badek konsamla kuble sibon people